Hello all, this is another assignment from Data Structure Fundamentals, Self-Assessment Round 1, and these are the two questions from assignment number 9 need to be answered. The first question is what is the meaning of lexicographically smallest and largest string? Lexicographically is nothing but like arranging the strings in a alphabetical order. While we arrange in general, while we arrange names in alphabetical order, we will check first letter and then we will go for the second letter. If the first letter is same, then we will go for the second letter, and we will this the second letter also same, we will go for the third letter. Like that we will arrange strings in the alphabetical order, and after arranging in the alphabetical order, the first element will be the smallest element and the last element will be the largest in lexicographically. Okay, that's it. Simple. We have to arrange the strings in the alphabetical order, and the first will be the smallest and last will be the largest. Lexicographically, smallest and largest strings refer to the strings that comes first and last respectively when comparing strings in lexicographic order, which is similar to the alphabetical order in English. The example strings. These are the example strings: RPG, action, puzzle, simulation, racing. And action is starting with A, so there is no other letter starting with A. The action will be the smallest, and after A, B, C, D, Q, E, Q, R. P will be the next, Q will be, R will be the next. R we have two, so racing will be the fourth one, puzzle will be the second one, racing will be the third one, and RPG will be the fourth one. Yes, simulation will be the fifth one. The simulation is the largest one. That's it. How to calculate memory size occupied by an array without sizeof? Sizeof will directly sizeof, and we in the function method we will insert array name, then we will automatically give the size of the array. It is the actual size, memory size in terms of bytes. Okay, it's not length. And how to calculate memory size by occupied by an array without sizeof? Without sizeof, we can use pointer arithmetic method. So I will explain well with the code. This is the code. This is the int array of 6 elements, and elements are 1 to 6, and size of the array will be given by the dereferencing of array plus ampersand of array plus 1 minus array. How we get size is, this size is length. The array ARR will be give the first address of the size, and ampersand of array will give the entire elements addresses, and plus 1 will give the address of the last after the last element. Once end of after, if it is a last element is a 400 and 401 400 402 403 4 bytes, for example. It is into, so we assume that 4 bytes, and it starts at 400 and it ends at 403, and ampersand of array plus 1 will give the 404 as the address, and this size will give the int size will give the number of elements, and actual memory size we have to multiply number of elements with the size of int, and we are not using size of function to find the size of array. We just using size of int, and we are getting number of elements by the pointer arithmetic method, and we are multiplying it data type size. Like if it is a size of int, it might be 4 bytes. If it is size of the float, it will be 8 bytes, like that. So we will get entire array size by this method. It's called as pointer arithmetic method. Here the steps. Ampersand of array gives the address of entire array, and ampersand plus 1 gives the address of just up to the end of the array, IRR. We'll dereference the pointer at the address just after the last element, giving the value which is an integer value. And array gives the address of the first element. We got the last address and first address, so we will subtracting, and then we will get total number of elements present in the array. As we are, these are int type. So we will multiply number of elements by size of each element. That is nothing but int or data type size, int or float size. Then we will get the size occupied by the entire array. That's it. This assignment I have only two questions. Hope my answers are clear. Thank you, one and all.